Se ninaqdu b'mod dirett mar-Renju Unit permezz ta' Skype. Se nitkellmu ma' Ħassina Said, intraprenditriċi Afgana li sal-bieraħ kienet f'Kabul u ħarbet minn pajjiżna wara li t-Taliban ħal kontroll tal-pajjiż. F'din l-intervista naturalment se nużaw l-Ingliż. Miss Ħassina Said, welcome to One News. Glad to have you with us.
Thank you. Pleasure to have me.
Miss Said, you are in the UK right now. Tell us about your last days in Kabul and how did the evacuation happen? Can you describe the emotions of the people who are with you on the military plane?
Yeah, it was a pretty terrified time, and everybody was panicking. As every human being was struggling for their life to get out from Afghanistan. And when we were on a plane with all other Afghans, the US, the UK military people, they helped us a lot, and people were crying literally because we were leaving everything behind, and whatever we had achieved in the last 18-20 years, and it went just vanish in one minute. So it's a pretty terrified and painful time which we had in the plane.
Mrs. Said, also yesterday the Taliban set a soft tone during their first press conference since taking control of Kabul. I quote from reports from the press conference, girls can continue to go to school if they wear a hijab. On the other hand, they said women's rights will be respected according to Sharia law. You are a businesswoman, you were active in Afghan society. Do you trust the Taliban? What are the women back in Afghanistan telling you? I know you are still in contact with women who are there.
I think it's very early to say because it's just happened. We have to wait and see. The time will tell who has changed and who hasn't. So that's why we can't predict for the future what's their agenda are and what do they think about in the future regarding the women issues, which is very important issue. We shouldn't ignore this issue, and we have to tackle it to see what will be our future.
Thank you, Mrs. Said, for your time, and I wish you good health. Thank you very much.